right, welcome back everybody. Dr. Blumenthal here with Natural Transplants in the Maryland office. And we are thrilled to have Vanessa here with us, all the way coming from Michigan, right?
Yes.
All right, welcome.
Thank you.
So if you wouldn't mind sharing with everybody, first of all, thank you for doing this.
Yeah.
We appreciate you kind of sharing your story. If you wouldn't mind sharing your story with everybody and sort of let everybody know kind of why you're here and how you found us.
Sure. Well, I began to thin up top around early 20s, between 19, early 20s. And most of it is hereditary. I do have some traction, alopecia up there. I've researched about having the transplant for several years. At the time, wasn't financially, in a position to do it. I didn't know much about the procedure, the method that I'm having done today. So here we are now. I've decided to go ahead and go through with it, and financially in a better position to do so, and hoping to gain some more density and get my hairline
Awesome.
back. So.
Awesome. How do you normally wear your hair? Do you normally cover it, or do you normally
Yeah, I
hide
try
it?
to cover it, and
Yeah.
honestly, I've done hair fibers, hair sprays to try and camouflage my thinning areas. But normally, I'll have it back in a bun. And,
Yeah. And we had chatted. You've also tried Rogaine,
Yes.
but just didn't want to do that every day the rest of your
Yeah,
life. And
yeah.
we sort of this is your opportunity to have real hair.
Yes.
You can go swimming. Hopefully, it's a one-time procedure, and you don't have to worry about it again. And you can get rid of all the silk scarves, silk bandanas, all that
Yeah.
sort of stuff. Awesome.
For sure.
Well, I'm gonna have Ray come in real quick and just kind of show your hairline here. So likely you do have an element of male pattern or genetic alopecia, as you can kind of see it creeping up in the corners here. And you probably also have some traction on the side as well too. So probably a combination of the two. You have phenomenal donor hair back here. I'm very excited about this. This is going to be awesome. The other thing that we had chatted about is you do have a keloid on the left ear, which obviously can happen with African Americans. It's very uncommon for the incision, but like we talked about, I can't say the percentage of risk is 0. Okay, so that's something that you just sort of have to be aware of. But we're gonna have a great day today. I'm very excited. We'll draw everything out, do a little bit of shaving if you'll let us, and then we'll shoot another quick video at the end just to kind of go over the game plan.
Awesome.
Sound fair?
Sounds good.
Awesome. We'll see you in a little bit. All right, welcome back everybody. Dr. Blumenthal again here with Vanessa, and as you can see, we have drawn out the hairline, and sort of formed our priority zone. So the first 2 fingers around the edges are going to be our priority 1. Hopefully we can get enough hair. I think we should be able to fill in the priority 2. Everybody's a little different. Vanessa wants to maximize her density in that front edge. So if we are going to be short, we're going to keep that first 2 fingers nice and dense as we can, and we'll just be short back here. We can always, she can always grow out the hair in the front and cover it if we need to. We can always come back down the road and fill in that gap. But I think we'll be fine today, and that's the ultimate goal, is to get enough hair to fill in both regions, and I think we should be able to. But like we talked about, it's always good to have plan A, plan B, plan C. So how are you feeling?
Feeling good.
You doing okay? We're excited to get going.
I am.
You have fantastic hair. I'm so excited to get next door and start working.
Great.
We'll check in a little later.
All
Sound
right.
good? All right. Great. All right, everybody, we are back with Vanessa, and we have obviously finished the day. How did today go? You can be honest.
It went well.
Yeah?
It went well. Better than expected, actually. I would say the roughest part is the anesthesia
Yeah.
administering.
Yeah. Which you did great with, by
yeah.
the way, but it's not the most pleasant experience.
No,
Yeah.
not at all. But you guys were pretty quick and got through it.
Gotta get through it.
Yeah.
We stopped for lunch. You watched
Yes.
Back to the Future 1 and 2.
1 and 2.
And in the meantime, you had a hair transplant.
Yeah.
Yeah, awesome. Let me have you kind of zoom in here, and you can see I love the line. We got the extra strip, so we were able to get enough grafts to fill in back in the corners as well. Nice, soft, gentle, rolling line, that very feminine look, and we crushed it. We really filled it in. Very excited. I'm really pumped. Can't wait to see you in 9 months and 12 months and see what it looks like. And then let me have you spin around here and show you the back, just so we can show it off. And obviously we did some shaving on top and the bottom. Once that grows back and the stitches are out, like we talked about, you're never going to see this. This is going to be very, very thin incision. Looks great. I am thrilled Thank you so much for doing this.
Thank you. I
Any
appreciate
words
it.
of advice for anybody out there thinking about doing something?
Yeah, I would say it's a great investment. I'd say go for it. For me personally, I feel like it's going to boost my confidence and allow me to be more, have multiple different hairstyles and
More options.
yeah, healthier, fuller hair. So if you're thinking about it, I say go for it. It's worth the investment.
Awesome. Welcome to the family.
Thank you very much.
We will see you guys next time. Take care.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.